I'm going to talk about the Quadratus Lumborum and the Rectus Abdominis. So the origin is the iliac crest, is the iliolumbar ligament for the Quadratus Lumborum. And then on the poster you can see that it attaches right here, down here at the iliac crest. So down here, that's a origin. And then the insertion is the inferior border of the 12th rib, transverse processes of vertebrae, L1 through L4. So here's the 12th rib, L1, 2, 3, 4. Just so you can see it, those are the attachments, or the insertion I should say. And so the primary action or motion for the Quadratus Lumborum is a bilateral contraction. It fixes 12th rib during inspiration and for trunk extension, and it helps with unilateral contraction, the lateral flexion of trunk. And then the joints that are associated is a hip joint and the sacroiliac joint. Yeah. So just one thing that you might use when you're during motion is just like sitting up, just getting your back all nice and tight, just moving around like this. It's your Quadratus Lumborum really helps out with that type of stuff. And then what nerve is responsible for the activation of your muscle movements is a subcostal nerve, is T12, and the anterior rami of spinal nerve L1 through 4. So as you see, T12, L1 through 4, that's how it gets its nerve. So the antagonist muscle is, for one side, say it's the right side of your Quadratus Lumborum, it's going to be the opposite side because they help each other out. They use each other to balance each other out. And then, so one action that you could do for working out the Quadratus Lumborum, and so I'll just do it right now. It's just a nice cobra stretch. Just get your back up. Really work the lower back. Try and flex your butt a little bit. Just feel out any nooks and crannies that you have in your back. It's pivotal that you stretch out your back because it works so many different areas of your body. And then a daily action is like what I'm doing right now, sitting down, have good posture with no pain. It's a catalyst for that. So another way that you could stretch it out is just going like this, maybe reach over your body, just go over like this, fix your back. So yeah, that's a Quadratus Lumborum. And then I'll go to the Rectus Abdominis, otherwise known as your abs. So the origin for the Rectus Abdominis is down here at the pubic crest and pubic symphysis. And then the insertion is your 5, 6, and 7 costal cartilages, medial inferior costal margin and posterior aspect of xiphoid. The primary motion is probably what you guess it would be, is to flex the trunk, aids in forced expiration, raises intra-abdominal pressure. And then what it does for the joints is like it extends the rib cage all the way out to the pubic bone. Just helps your body out. And then the nerves that are associated is anterior primary rami, T7 through 12. And this isn't drawn to scale. I didn't want to go up the whole back and then do whole spinal column, but I just wanted to give a rough estimate of what it would look like. The muscles, antagonist muscles, is the rectus spinae muscles. They originate near the sacrum and run up the back. And it's an extensor of the vertebral column. And you probably know about the rectus abdominis. They aid in sitting up or doing crunches. Another great stretch would be the cobra for that as well. It helps your back and the front of your stomach and your chest. And then a plank. So I'll do a plank just for a couple seconds. But it's just like this. And then you could just flex your butt, and then you're gonna feel a nice stretch in your rectus abdominis. All right, thank you.